architecting department are frequently asked the question, why choose a concrete roofing tile? And specifically, why choose Quinn concrete roofing tile? So let's look at some of the reasons why. One of the main reasons is cost. There's massive savings to be made by choosing a concrete roofing tile compared to some of the other roofing alternatives. For this example, we'll be looking at fibre cement slate and natural slate. When we refer to the costs, we're really looking at the materials, which includes the cost of the roofing units themselves, plus the battens required to be used along with those units. Also, we'll be looking at the cost of labour, that is the labour associated with fitting those tiles. So let's look at one example from one region. Figures will vary in different areas and from region to region, and also will vary from euro to sterling, but the same trend will apply for both. So to include the costs associated with materials, i.e. battens and concrete roofing tiles, per square metre of roof for a concrete tile, we're looking at approximately £8 sterling. For fibre cement slate, we're looking at about 15. And for natural slate, we're looking at about £26 per square metre. For labour, for concrete tiles, £3 per square metre. Fibre cement slate, £4.50. Natural slate, £6. So, for materials, i.e. battens and the roofing unit, and labour, we get a total cost per square metre for concrete roof tiles of 11. For fibre cement slate, 19.50, and for natural slate, 32. Looking at those three figures, you can easily see that a fibre cement slate roof per square metre will cost you approximately twice that for concrete tiles. Natural slate roof will cost you approximately 3 times that for concrete roofing tiles. Another advantage of using concrete roofing tiles is ease of installation. One of these advantages is coverage, and by coverage what we mean is the number of units it takes to cover 1 square metre. So typically at 100mm headlap, which is common in the UK and Ireland, a concrete roof tile will require 10 units to cover 1 square metre. Fibre cement slate, 13 to 14 units per square metre. Natural slate, 19 to 20 units per square metre. The second advantage is preformed features. In a concrete roofing tile, there's predetermined nail holes. This means no requirement for drilling on site, which obviously reduces labour. A second is the interlocks. Quinn concrete roofing tiles are interlocking roofing tiles. The interlock ensures correct position of the tile. And lastly, simple individual replacement. Where a tile is broken, concrete tiles are much easier replaced than these other alternatives. Concrete roof tiles offer a wider variety of choice in comparison to other products. Quinn concrete roof tiles are available in 4 different profiles. Our traditional profiles include the Western slate and the lock iron. The Western slate is a chunky type flat tile with a smooth finish. The lock iron is a double pan tile, which is a bold rolling tile. Our contemporary profiles include the Rapmore and Devonish tiles. Both have a modern slate look with a thin leading edge. The Rapmore tile has a smooth finish, whereas the Devonish has a textured finish. All of our tiles are available in a suitable range of colours, as you can see on screen, including greys, reds, browns and black coated finishes. Many local authorities have preferences to colours and styles in their area. This range of style and colour caters for all their need. Design flexibility. Concrete roof tiles offer greater design flexibility compared to other products. For example, slate products are restricted to a minimum pitch of 25 degrees in certain exposure zones. Quinn concrete roof tiles can go down as far as 17.5 degrees in all exposure zones. Aesthetics. We're aware that some people prefer to have a slate-like look on the roof. Quinn, Rottmore and Devon's tiles offer that at a fraction of the price. So, to summarise, why choose Quinn concrete roof tiles? Cost, fraction of the price. Installation, better coverage, preform features for ease of fitting. Strength, more robust product. Versatility, a wide range of styles and colours and greater design flexibility. Maintenance, all roofing products will weather through time. Concrete roof tiles are more readily rejuvenated. And concrete roof tiles are recyclable. For any further questions, please contact the technical department.